Hey guys, I'm Davina from Angelica Yarns, and in this video I'm going to show you what it means to crochet in the back loop. So normally when you crochet, or when you single crochet, you try to insert your yarn into both loops of the previous round. So I don't know if you could see it, but there's two loops here, 1 and 2. So when you do the back loops only, you're only going to insert into this back loop here. You're not going to insert into the front. And then you just do your stitch like you normally would. So you make sure you're not hitting this front one. You're only going into the back one. Personally, this is my favorite thing to do when making scarves because it creates a nice effect, like a striped effect. So yeah, you chain one like you normally would with single crochet, and then again you just into the back loop instead of both. Just make sure you don't have two, when you insert, make sure you don't have this. You don't have two loops on the chain. You don't want this front loop. If you have it, then you're not going to have that striped effect that you want. I'm going to do one more row so you guys can see how it looks. Back loops. See how it has this bumpy effect almost? It's like stripes. It's pretty nice. And that's how you do back loops only. Thank you for watching.